introduce you this website in the last 10 minutes, okay, of our class. Now, so let's move on to pinyin class today. Yeah. Today we are going to cover a couple of things. First of all, I will introduce you Chinese phonetics, Chinese pronunciation. There are two parts of this. The first one is four tones, and another one is Chinese phonetic symbols. Okay? And then let's do this website to practice your speaking. Okay? So, 我是段老师，我是段老师。Okay? My last name is 段。段 in means section. So I'm a teacher section teacher. But some of my students call me 段老师. Hey, 段老师. And 段 means short. Okay, I know I'm not tall, right? Short. My legs are short, just like this dog. But my last name, however, is not 段, right? My last name is 段. So if you are speaking Chinese and your tones are not accurate, maybe that will make you in trouble or embarrassed. Okay, so pronunciation, especially four tones, are very important. As you know, unlike English, which is alphabetic language, right? And Chinese writing is represented by characters, right? And each character is equal to one syllable. Yes, and each one syllable consists of three elements, which are initial sound, right, and final sound and tones, right. And which part is the most important out of these three elements? Tones. Why?
There's a lot of different ways to say a word, but tones tell you what it means.
Right, because different tone represents different meaning. Yes, right? Just like 段老师, no, I'm not short. I don't want to be short. 段老师. So tones are very, most important when you start learning Chinese. Okay, and so today we are focused on four tones. If we have more time, we will go through about Chinese phonetics. Okay, and so do you have your handout? So let's do an exercise to check if you can distinguish the difference between four tones. Okay. Okay. So I will say a sentence on the first yellow box. I will say a sentence and try to circle one or two. Okay, circle one or two according to what you hear. Ready? 这是我的助教。这是我的助教。So number one or number two? Wow, great. 对了. That's right. Okay, so if you call your teaching assistant 助教, your TA will be very angry because 助教 means big feet. Okay, 助教 or 助教, right? Okay, the second part on the blue box. Ready? 不喜欢打扫。我不喜欢打扫。我不喜欢打扫。One or two. Yes. Wow. 你们很棒. You are all awesome. Great, great. Right. So that is number one. 打扫. 我不喜欢打扫. If you say 我不喜欢大扫, that would be you don't like your sister-in-law. Oh, she will be angry. She will be sad. Okay. So that's why four tones are very important. Most of the time, if you cannot distinguish the difference between four tones, you most likely cannot pronounce correct tones. Okay, but I think so far you are good. You are good. So let's discuss what's the characteristics of Chinese four tones. So first tone. What do you think about the first tone?
High.
High, yes, yes. And? That's it?
Yeah.
Just high?
Long.
Long.
Oh, long. If I cannot.
Non-changing.
Very good. Constant, great. Not change, constant. Right. If you cannot make your first tone constant, what should you do? You know, when we are speaking Chinese, just not only one word, right? That would be a sentence or combination. If every words are first tone. Sing. So you have to make your pitch constant, right? Some of students cannot make their first tone constant. So if you have this problem, you just last your sound as much as you can. For example, these four words. Alabama. My voice is high. Your voice may be lower. Doesn't matter. Just make your pitch is constant. So Alabama. Okay, everybody try. Very good, very good. So when we are speaking Chinese, four tones make Chinese like sing a song, right? So that's why I use sheet music. Just imagine four tones have four tones are four notes on sheet music, and the number 5 represents the highest, right? And number 1 represents the lowest tone, lowest pitch, right? Okay. So the tip is, if you cannot make your sound consistent, you have to last your sound as long as you can. Let's practice this one. This example. How to say this word?
3天.
Good, very good. 3天, right? 3天, doesn't matter. Okay, just don't say 3天. No. 3天. Okay. Okay. That's the first one. Good. And how about second tone? What's the characteristic of second tone? Climbing.
Steady incline.
Right. From
Low to high.
right. Start from low pitch. Right. Start from low pitch and go up to high. So the tip is, if you have to make your pitch from the lowest as low as you can, and make your pitch go up to as high as you can. native Chinese people. Okay, so so from low pitch go up to the high pitch, and it we call this tone is rising tone. Rising tone, and it sounds like English doubtful. What? What? Okay. The tip is you have to make your pitch from the lowest and go up to the highest. Okay. So the length of second tone is longest out of 4 tones. You have to memorize this. Okay. Compared to first tone, third tone, and fourth tone. Second tone, the length of second tone is longest. Let's try this word. Let's try this word.
Taiwan.
Second tone, second tone.
Taiwan.
One, perfect. But second tone is not good.
Taiwan.
From low.
Taiwan.
Perfect. Yeah, you try.
Taiwan.
Good.
Taiwan.
Good.
Taiwan.
Perfect.
Taiwan.
Yes, yes.
Taiwan.
很好.
Taiwan.
Yes.
Taiwan.
Good, good.
Taiwan.
Wow, wow, 你好，你好。Yes, right. Taiwan, Taiwan, and some students cannot make accurate second tone, so that would be Taiwan or Taiwan, Taiwan. No, right? Taiwan, Taiwan. You see, the second tone is long. The length of second tone. Taiwan, Taiwan. Okay. And how about third tone? Third tone. What's the most important thing?
Low.
Low, yes. Low and short. Maybe you know a full third tone. Full third tone shows a curve in pitch, right? So it's like this. But normally, when we are speaking, we don't pronounce with full third tone. For example, how to say number 5 in Chinese? Wu, right? If you say wu, it's okay. But if I want to say 5 and 6 together, that would be 五六. Nobody say 五六. Okay? So that's why in connect speech, third tone is pronounced with low, short, and it's like a first tone in low pitch. So compared to first tone, third tone, first tone, third tone, first tone. So that would be this 8 words. Let's try. For example, la, ba, ma. Everybody follow me. La, ba, ma. Try again faster. Right. So they are short. Okay. First tone and third tone can be short. So la, ba, ma. The difference is pitch. One is high, another one is low. Okay, let's try this word. Yeah, 老师. You see, when you say this word, third tone and first tone combine, right? And the combination, when you say this word, you have to make a pause between third tone and first tone. You cannot connect them. If you connect them, that will be 老师. No, it should be 老师, right? So everybody say again.
老师.
Try again.
老师.
Faster.
老师.
Again.
老师.
Great. So you see, you listen. 老师，请帮帮我，请你帮我 开门，老师请你教教我，请你教我说中文。Sounds like sing a song, right? So da 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 da, right? Okay? 啊 ，so 老师，我是段老师，他是玉老师 ，right？ 老师 ，okay? Very important word. And fourth tone. How about fourth tone? What's the most important or the characteristic of fourth tone? Can be short and start from high pitch. So some students think, oh, fourth tone, you have to go down, right? So they pronounce fourth tone from low pitch. That will sound like third tone. So you have to make your pitch start from high, start the high pitch. Okay, so that will be you see this image, that will be right? Like reverse first tone, right? But when we are pronounce fourth tone, we make it short. So fourth tone, like in English, you are mad, right? You disagree with somebody. So no, no, from high, no, okay? So don't from low, no. When you are speaking fourth tone, just think about from high pitch, no, okay? So let's try to say this word. When you repeat the fourth tone, the second one has to go back to the high pitch, right? The first one, 贵, and the second one you have to go back to your high pitch, 姓, 贵姓, 贵姓, right? So if you cannot make your voice go back to the high pitch, that would be 贵姓 or 贵姓. No, 贵姓. So everybody try.
贵姓
Again.
贵姓
From high.
贵姓
Good, 很好. What does that mean? 贵姓. Polite way to ask somebody's surname. It's a very polite way, formal way to ask somebody's name. So, what's your name? You can ask in Chinese, 您贵姓. So, 您 second tone. 您贵姓. 您 means you. 您贵姓. 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 Okay, everybody try.
你贵姓
Again.
你贵姓
Right. So second tone is long, right? 您贵姓. 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 How to answer? Yeah. 对了，我姓常。Second tone. 哦，我姓常。您贵姓？您贵姓？
我姓王
哦，他姓王。Yeah, second tone. 王。哦，很好，很好。Okay, so now you know all tips about four tones, and all you have to do is to practice and get used to them, right? And what's the best way to practice tones? The best way to practice is to practice them in combinations. Okay, combinations. So try to say these four words. Try to say these four words. 阿拉巴马. Try again. 阿拉巴马. Right. But nobody say 阿拉巴马. Why? Because you have to pay attention to the Chinese rhythm, right? So first tone, if first tone is a quarter note, the second tone should be a half note. So that would be 阿拉巴马. 阿拉巴马，阿拉巴马，OK？ 阿拉巴马。So everybody try. 阿拉巴马 again. 阿拉巴马 one more time.
阿拉巴马，
Faster. 阿拉巴马 again. 阿拉巴马 yes. And let's try this four characters. It's a phrase. It's a phrase. 非常
非常
感谢
感谢
yes. One more time. 非常感谢 again. 非常感谢 What does that mean? 非常 means very, extremely. 非常感谢 means thank you. It's a very useful word. Memorize. 非常感谢 Try again.
非常感谢，
One more time.
非常感谢，
非常感谢 again.
非常感谢，
Right. The second tone is long, right? It's longer. Okay. 非常感谢啊，非常感谢玉老师，非常感谢段老师。Okay.